hate her so much.
She's such.
Why? Why are you always trying to embarrass us? I hope a car hits you.
Wait, what's the condition she has to get back in the car at? Ashley! You can go to prison for that, you know.
Don't do that.
Let's go, get in the car.
As soon as I walked away, what do you think I was born yesterday? As soon as I walked towards you, you're gonna